In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Clarity account. Before we begin, a quick but important reminder. Deletion is permanent. All session recordings, heat maps, and dashboard data associated with the project you delete will be gone and cannot be recovered. So proceed only when you're absolutely sure. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Clarity. In the results, look for the official site at clarity.microsoft.com. Click the correct link so you land on the real Clarity homepage, not a help article or third-party site. This helps you get straight into your workspace without confusion. On the homepage, sign in. Use the Microsoft account that has access to your Clarity projects and complete any multi-factor authentication if it's enabled. If you manage multiple organizations or subscriptions, take a moment to ensure you're signed into the correct context so you don't remove data from the wrong place. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Clarity dashboard with a list of projects. Select the project you want to remove. Double-check the project name and the associated site or app URL so you know you're targeting the right one. In Clarity, you delete a project rather than your entire Microsoft account. Removing this project erases only its data. Other projects and your broader Microsoft services remain untouched. Inside the selected project, click Settings. You'll typically find it in the left-hand navigation or near the top, depending on the current interface. The Settings area shows high-level details about the project. Use this as a final sanity check to confirm you're in the correct project before continuing. In Settings, under the Overview section, select Delete Project. A confirmation prompt will appear explaining what will be removed. Read the warning carefully. This action permanently deletes all data tied to the project, including historical session recordings, heat maps, funnels, and any dashboards or filters you've configured. If a confirmation step appears, follow it. Some workspaces require you to type the project name or click an additional Confirm button. After you confirm, Clarity will process the request, and the project will disappear from your dashboard shortly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted your Microsoft Clarity project. If you were cleaning up multiple old or test projects, repeat these same steps for each one you no longer need. And if you're unsure at any point, pause and verify with your team, because once deleted, the data cannot be restored. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and straightforward.